Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. Your Gmail is can't log in, so I have nine method to fix your problem. So first is, did you forget your password? So in Gmail's option have a forgot password, and then getting the OTP, and then again OTP enter, and then set new password. Second method is the recovery account. Try to recover your account. Sometimes with Google is suspend Gmail account, and that's why it's not login. So permanently suspend any 2 to 3 months. For 1 month ago, 1 month suspend. So many type of suspend to Google. Third option is, did you forgot the username and self? When you forgot the mail ID, so you 100% know what is my surname. And check cookies and turn off. So actually when you using the browser, so clear cookies history and cache, and then again try it. Sometimes, as I say, you if you have a password, set password and then change, so this password is already saved and cookies and cache, and when you log in, so wrong password showing, not login. That's what you change your uh, clear and cookies and cache and history also. You can change the browsers. Again, this is not showing the issues, so you can Chrome to Mozilla Shift and Mozilla to Chrome Shift. Okay, and issue 7 method issues two-step verifications. This is feature already know. So when you log in, so uh, receive the OTP in your mobile, and otherwise use secondary email IDs and then login. So and number 8, you look at the date, year of in you teen under 13. So that's why also, because under 13 in the many websites and many blockage all software automatically if you. So this is actually children's mail ID, and you can use VPN also. Go to control panel and search box and Chrome extension, search VPNs and then set. Okay, okay guys, bye bye. Have an issue, please comment me, I will support you.